My name is Conor Trujillo. I'm a senior project manager with Pure Power. And yeah, I do everything, it seems, but mainly responsible for a team of engineers working to design and deliver PV and battery projects.
And that's nationwide, right?
Nationwide, yep.
How many states do you usually work in at a time?
I mean, a dozen at least, and then if not more. We have clusters of maybe commercial sites that are located in similar state or region, but yeah, we work all over the country. Our customers are all over the country, and we just do it all.
So how long you been with Pure Power now?
Yeah, just over 9 years, almost a decade, not quite, but it's been a good run.
How has the solar industry changed in those 9 years?
It's definitely grown, so that's a great thing. And I think when we first started, or when I first started, a lot of the projects were smaller and maybe what would be referred to as a low-hanging fruit. The kind of easiest projects, the most open space, the least congested on the utility side of things. And nowadays, it seems that as solar has grown, it's become a little bit more challenging for all of the above reasons. But that's kind of why people come to us, because we have all that experience. We know how to deal with the challenges of commercial and industrial projects and now utility scale. So we've seen it all growing with the industry.
How has Pure Power evolved with the industry?
I'll give a specific example, like with grid congestion, introduction of like relay systems, RTUs, other advanced things like grounding transformers or other difficult components that utilities require to get interconnection approval. And then understanding maybe some of these more difficult projects, how to make them work, finding creative solutions, and coming up with an answer, structural, electrical, whatever it is, we can figure it out.
So what's that like, having like those structural engineers right next to you when you're working on a project? Does that make it a lot easier for you?
Yeah, definitely. And obviously there's a collaboration that occurs between the teams, but also just a sharing of knowledge. Even if we don't necessarily have a project that has structural scope or requires their involvement, just having them as a sounding board, asking them simple questions about a project that you're working on, and having that resource really helps. But when we have to work together, it's a seamless process. We have a system in place and perfected it.